Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing my squishy. I have this pie here, this shark, this cupcake, please, it fell down, this pony, this diamond from Delish, and this one is two pony, cupcake, and the others just this one. Squishy. Squishy. I'll just leave it here. You can see it. It's okay. I have this popcorn. It's squishy. Here. Go. This cute strawberry. It got out thing. This cute little hamster. And finally but not least, this sugar bread. It's super squishy. You should buy this. I buy it at Walmart. And it's super duper squishy. And if you do this, like put hot bread, and it will be super squishy. That's what I like to do. And now it's this. And now we will I'll be smelling the scents. This scent is. Let me take a second. I can't tell you the smell. It's like, I don't know. It's like dough, like, but you make something with. This has no sense. It's squishy dough. This smells like this. This hamster smells like. This smells like the pie and the pony. This one too. This smells like a candy, but I forgot. It smells like the pie, pony. You know. This actually smells like sugar bread. It's so squishy. And that's all it. Make sure to subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. Squish that subscribe button. And please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you. And watch my other channel. Bye.